Done with this section, but before going to the next section, I want you to restore all these databases to their original state. Because in this section, we added some data, we updated some data, we deleted some records. So if you don't restore these databases, you might see different results going forward. So restoring these databases is pretty easy. Here in MySQL Workbench, on the top, go to the File menu and open SQL script. Then navigate to the directory where you stored the SQL scripts for this course. In case you lost that directory, go back to the first section. We have a lecture for downloading these supplementary materials. So in this directory, open create databases.sql. Now execute this script to recreate all of our databases. All right, beautiful. Now let's open up the navigator panel. You can see the databases disappeared from here. Simply click on this refresh icon. Beautiful. All right, we're done with this section. I will see you in the next section.